Hello everyone, this is Amanda Arpita. Today in this scenario, we are going to see something very interactive and flexible. Today, I'm going to show you I'm going to extract the employee details from a person. Like a user is inputting all the name, MP, department, destination. First I'm going to store. After that I'll be adding or editing or deleting and displaying the particular details which have been entered. So firstly, I'm going to use the header file iostream, which is required for running a C++ program, and after that I'm using a header file string.h because I'll be storing the name, MP, department, destination in the form of strings. So using a namespace std is because so that I can use cout and cin statements throughout the program wherever I need to print and scan the statements. And later I am going to declare some functions. When I need to add some detail, I'm going to call this function. When I need to edit, I'm going to call this function. For delete, this function, and for display, this function. So I have different functions like this, and I am going to enter into my int main. Before entering into my int main, I am going to show a class where I am entering the employee details. Here in this class, all the things which have been entered are public, that is they can be accessed throughout the program, and their validity will not expire till the program has been brought to an end. So here I have taken 4 strings and the remaining are floats. The 4 strings are name, MP, department, destination, and the other 8 are float. And so when we get into the program, this is my int main, this is my main method. In here I'm using a switch statement, and the variable for switch is used as ch, and here I asked please enter the number of employees. So just let me show you how the output goes like. So on the output screen you have something like this: please enter the number of employees. If I say 1 employee, I'll be able to enter his name. Actually I need this first to understand what is the output, then we'll see what is going on in the input, what input we've given. So we're giving the employee ID or something, and after that we are entering the department. After that we need the employee's designation, blah blah, and experience, pay, grade pay, employee DA, personality pay, all these things I'm going to fill up. And now once I'm done with this, it's asking me the 4 options which I've told you, like I'm using the switch statement over here. So for this switch statement I have used the variable ch. So once I say please enter the number of employees, this value is stored in num, and this num is initialized over here. So that is what happened. And if I entered one time, the loop will run only one time, and it will call the function add details. When I move to the function add details, so here it is add details, and this loop runs. Okay, and here it asks me, as you've seen, it asks me to enter the name, amped, and all these things. It is coming out from these lines which are under this function block. These are all the lines which ask for respective things which we have seen above, like the name, amped, destination, department, experience, all this stuff which we have seen above are as here. And I am going to use a dot operator which is connecting e of I. Here I have entered, as we see clearly, I have said e of something is 100. I have declared the array like that. And here I am connecting e of I to name. So all the 100 spaces can be taken by the name. So the dot is a connector which connects this array with the name and stores the name string in this e of I. So it's the same case with all of the others. And once you are done with this, what happens? You come back to the same place where it has been called. Now after that, you have been in this statement, this switch statement. You ask whether to add, like if you need to add another thing, again you're going to the same function call. And next, if you need to edit, you're going to the next thing. If you're going to delete, you're going to the next thing. If not, it's going to show that you've entered a invalid input. So this is the add details which we have seen. And the second thing is edit. Now the string which is sn, you're going to choose the employee ID which you're going to edit. Like once you choose the employee ID, you can make changes in what all things he has or other details in his profile. After that you have a void function which is delete. To delete any entry, you can delete an entry. So first I'm going to say int flag is equal to 0. After that I'm going to display that please enter the ID of the employee to be deleted. So we're going to employ which ID person should be deleted from this. So once that is deleted, the value is stored and the loop is run. And after that, I have compared this with the emped value. So I've entered the only ID, so I'm comparing it to the emped, and all these things I'm going to delete. That is, I'm going to initialize it to null, so it is getting deleted. So after I'm done, I'm going to break the statement. If the flag value is not found, it is showing the number is not found. And the next thing is display. So for display, if I enter the number, as long as the loop, when I say display, and as long as the loop runs, it depends on how many number of employees you've given, all the details of the employee will get printed over here. So let us see the output very clearly, how it goes according to the program. So here, okay, I've entered some stuff, some random details of some person like Arp, and here I have a menu which is asking me to add the other person details, edit the same person details, delete the previous entry or whatever entry you have made till now, or display. So first I'm going to display what I've made, so I'm giving 4 and I say enter. So when I say 4, here you can see that I have the employee from here. Yeah, from here you can see the employee name is Arp, employee ID is so and so, this is so and so, because I have displayed only these details. If you need, you can display all other details which have been taken over here. And after that you have the menu again. So if I say I need to edit something, and there is an employee ID which I've given, so 47445 is the ID, 47445 is the ID. So I'm going to enter the name as rep. So everything we can change over here, all the things can be changed, or the same things can be entered again, random stuff again. And now here you have something like delete. If you need to delete some entry, I'm going to press delete, and here it is asking me for the employee ID. Just enter the employee ID which has to be deleted, and all the variables or all the values which have been declared under that particular set will be equalized to null, so that will get deleted. This is how all this works. Thanks for watching. Hope you understand. Bye bye. Take care.